Question 1. Which country won the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? A. Australia, B. India, C. England, D. New Zealand. Answer is B. India. Question 2. India defeated which country in the T20 World Cup 2026 final? A. Australia, B. Pakistan, C. New Zealand, D. South Africa. Answer is C. New Zealand. Question 3. The ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 final was held in A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, C. Ahmedabad, D. Chennai. Answer is C. Ahmedabad. Question 4. The man of the match in the 2026 T20 World Cup final was A. Jasprit Bumrah, B. Rohit Sharma, C. Sanju Samson, D. Hardik Pandya. Answer is A. Jasprit Bumrah. Question 5. The BCCI reward announced for the T20 World Cup winning Indian team was A. Rupees 75 crore, B. Rupees 100 crore, C. Rupees 131 crore, D. Rupees 150 crore. Answer is C. Rupees 131 crore. Question 6. According to the CIPRI 2025 report, India is the world's largest arms importer. A first, B second, C third, D fourth. Answer is B second. Question 7. The CIPRI report on global arms transfers was released by which country's institute? A. USA, B. Sweden, C. Germany, D. France. Answer is B. Sweden. Question 8. The 11th Raisina Dialogue 2026 was held in A. Mumbai, B. Bengaluru, C. New Delhi, D. Hyderabad. Answer is C. New Delhi. Question 9. India launched a pharma nutraceutical corridor with which country? A. Kazakhstan, B. Uzbekistan, C. Turkey, D. Iran. Answer is B. Uzbekistan. Question 10. IIMS signed an MOU with which organization for space medicine research? A. DRDO, B. ISRO, C. NASA, D. HAL. Answer is B. ISRO. Question 11. The Asmita Athletics League was launched by the Ministry of A. Education, B. Sports and Youth Affairs, C. Defense, D. Health. Answer is B. Sports and Youth Affairs. Question 12. The Asmita Athletics League will be organized across how many locations in India? A. 100, B. 150, C. 200, D. 250. Answer is D. 250. Question 13. India successfully defended its T20 World Cup title after winning in A. 2022 and 2024, B. 2023 and 2025, C. 2024 and 2026, D. 2011 and 2023. Answer is C. 2024 and 2026. Question 14. India won the T20 World Cup 2026 final by a margin of A. 55 runs, B. 75 runs, C. 96 runs, D. 110 runs. Answer is C. 96 runs. Question 15. The 2026 World Sprint Speed Skating Championships were held in A. Norway, B. Netherlands, C. Germany, D. Sweden. Answer is B. Netherlands. Question 16. The 2026 World Sprint Speed Skating Championships men's champion was A. Jordan Stolz, B. Jenning Debu, C. Ning Zongyan, D. Kai Warjib. Answer is B. Jenning Debu. Question 17. The women's champion at the 2026 World Sprint Speed Skating Championships was A. Femke Kok, B. Suzanne Schulting, C. Mihu Takagi, D. Irene Schouten. Answer is A. Femke Kok. Question 18. The 2026 World Athletics Indoor Championships will be held in A. Madrid, B. Warsaw, C. Turan, D. Prague. Answer is C. Turan. Question 19. The 2026 World Athletics Indoor Championships will be taking place in which country? A. Poland, B. Germany, C. Italy, D. France. Answer is A. Poland. Question 20. The MOBO Awards 2026 will be held in which city? A. London, B. Manchester, C. Birmingham, D. Liverpool. Answer is B. Manchester. Question 21. The MOBO Awards 2026 ceremony is scheduled for A. 10th March 2026, B. 26th March 2026, C. 5th April 2026, D. 12th April 2026. Answer is B. 26th March 2026. Question 22. The MOBO Awards recognize achievements in A. Classical music, B. Pop music, C. Music of black origin, D. Film music. Answer is C. Music of black origin. Question 23. Which Indian cricket captain led the team in the T20 World Cup 2026? A. Rohit Sharma, B. Hardik Pandya, C. Surya Kumar Yadav, D. KL Rahul. Answer is C. Surya Kumar Yadav. Question 24. The 2026 T20 World Cup final stadium was A. Eden Gardens, B. Wankhede Stadium, C. Narendra Modi Stadium, D. Arun Jaitley Stadium. Answer is C. Narendra Modi Stadium. Question 25. The largest winning margin in a T20 World Cup final 2026 was A. 80 runs, B. 96 runs, C. 102 runs, D. 110 runs. Answer is B. 96 runs. Question 26. The India women's cricket team was nominated for which global award in 2026? A. Laureus World Team of the Year, B. BBC Sports Award, C. Wisden Award, D. ICC Team of the Year. Answer is A. Laureus World Team of the Year. Question 27. The Raisina dialogue focuses mainly on A. Education policy, B. Global geopolitics, C. Sports diplomacy, D. Agriculture policy. Answer is B. Global geopolitics. Question 28. The Raisina dialogue is organized by A. Niti Aayog, B. Ministry of External Affairs, C. Ministry of Defense, D. RBI. Answer is B. Ministry of External Affairs. Question 29. The Convention on Biological Diversity report submitted by India in 2026 was the 5th report, the 6th report, the 7th report, the 8th report. Answer is the 7th report. Question 30. The ICC prize money for the T20 World Cup 2026 winners was approximately A. $2 million, B. $3 million, C. $5 million, D. $7 million. Answer is B. $3 million. Question 31. The largest crowd stadium for the T20 final in 2026 is located in A. Delhi, B. Ahmedabad, C. Kolkata, D. Mumbai. Answer is B. Ahmedabad. Question 32. The Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, SIPRI, is based in A. Sweden, B. Norway, C. Denmark, D. Finland. Answer is A. Sweden. Question 33. According to SIPRI data, India accounted for about dash of global arms imports. A. 5%, B. 6.5%, C. 8.2%, D. 10%. Answer is C. 8.2%. Question 34. The Asmita Athletics League aims mainly to promote A. Women athletes, B. School athletes, C. Rural sports, D. Paralympic athletes. Answer is A. Women athletes. Question 35. The T20 World Cup 2026 final was played on A. 5th March 2026, B. 7th March 2026, C. 8th March 2026, D. 10th March 2026. Answer is C. 8th March 2026. Question 36. India scored about dash runs in the T20 World Cup 2026. A. 210 runs, B. 225 runs, C. 240 runs, D. 255 runs. Answer is D. 255 runs. Question 37. New Zealand's total in the 2026 T20 final was A. 159 runs, B. 170 runs, C. 181 runs, D. 190 runs. Answer is A. 159 runs. Question 38. The 2026 World Athletics Indoor Championship will feature how many events? A. 20, B. 24, C. 27, D. 30. Answer is C. 27. Question 39. The Speed Skating Championship 2026 venue was A. Thai Alpha Arena, B. Oslo Arena, C. Stockholm Dome, D. Helsinki Ice Hall. Answer is A. Thai Alpha Arena. Question 40. The Speed Skating Championship 2026 were held on A. 1-2 March, B. 3-4 March, C. 5-6 March, D. 8-9 March. Answer is C. 5-6 March. Question 41. The T20 World Cup 2026 victory gave India its dash title. A. Second, B. Third, C. Fourth, D. Fifth. Answer is B. Third. Question 42. The India vs New Zealand T20 final 2026 attendance was around A. 50,000, B. 65,000, C. 75,000, D. 86,000. Answer is D. 86,000. Question 43. The India-Uzbekistan pharmaceutical corridor aims to boost A. Defense trade, B. Pharmaceutical exports, C. Tourism, D. Agriculture. Answer is B. Pharmaceutical exports. Question 44. The Raisina Dialogue 2026 was held during A. 1st to 3rd March, B. 5th to 7th March, C. 8th to 10th March, D. 10th to 12th March. Answer is B. 5th to 7th March. Question 45. The Indian Cricket Board BCCI announced the reward after the T20 victory of A. 100 crore, B. 115 crore, C. 131 crore, D. 150 crore. Answer is C. 131 crore. Question 46. The Indian women's cricket team nomination for Laureus Award was due to victory in A. T20 World Cup, B. ODI World Cup, C. Asia Cup, D. Champions Trophy. Answer is B. ODI World Cup. Question 48. The Narendra Modi Stadium is located in A. Delhi, B. Ahmedabad, C. Mumbai, D. Surat. Answer is B. Ahmedabad. Question 49. The largest cricket stadium in the world is A. Melbourne Cricket Ground, B. Narendra Modi Stadium, C. Eden Gardens, D. Lords. Answer is B. Narendra Modi Stadium. Question 50. The T20 World Cup 2026 winning captain of India was A. Rohit Sharma, B. Suryakumar Yadav, C. Hardik Pandya, D. Virat Kohli. Answer is B.